Good morning, students. I am going to take the subject is OS Operating System Laboratory. In this operating system laboratory, we are seeing the experiment number is 7. In that experiment 7, we are going to see about the page replacement. In page replacement, they are having three types. That is first FIFO and LRU, then optimal replacement. These three types are using in page replacement. First, we going to see about the page replacement of FIFO. First of all, we have to know about the concept of this page replacement. First, FIFO means first in, first out. In that, some problem is there. How we want to use this FIFO means here they had given some question, that is 701 203042 303 120. This is the question framework. Here we are using the 4 frame. So in that 4 frame we are going to solve this problem. First of all, first in first out means what we are going to insert first, then next number should be inserted in the next framework. Likewise, we have to insert these numbers. First of all, we are inserting the number is 7. In frame 1, we are going to insert number 7. Then we are going to insert 0. Already we have inserted the 7 in the frame 1. There next frame 2 is empty. So we are going to insert the 0 in the frame 2. Then next we are going to insert number 1. Here already we inserted 7, 0. Then third one is 1. Here we are going to insert this 1 in the frame 3. Then next one is 2. 2 we are going to insert. Here one empty space is there, that is frame 4. Here we are going inserting that 2. Next we are going to insert 0. Already we having only the 4 frame. So here we are going to insert 0 means there is no space to insert this 0. So we have to remove any one frame. Like that, first of all, first in first out means which one in first which we inserted, that should be removed, and then there should be the number should be inserted. Likewise, we have to insert these numbers. Here the number is 0, but 0 is already inserted in this table. There is 0, so we no need to change this column. Then we are moving to the 3 number. The 3 number is here in column means no, so we have to insert this 3 number. So what I said in previous, which number is first inserted, that should be removed, and then the number should be new number should be added. So here first we inserted the number 7, so we have to remove that 7, and then we have to insert that 3 in that column. Then next we move to the 0. Here 0 is already there or not? Yes, here we having 0, so no need to change that column. Then we are moving to the number 4. If we want to insert number 4 means already we deleted the first column 7, and then we inserted 3. So like that, number 4 should be inserted means next number what we inserted 0. So we have to remove that 0, and then there should be added as 4. Then 1, 2 as usual we have to give it. Then we have to insert next number is 2. 2 is already there or not in this column? Here 2 is there, so no need to change that column. Then 3. 3 is already there in this column? Yes. So here also no need to change that column. Then 0. Here in this column there is 0? No. So we have to insert that 0. Already we deleted in first row 7, and then second number we inserted 0. That one also we removed. Then third number what we inserted 1. So we have to remove in the third row. Here what is the number in third row? It is 1. So we have to remove that 1, and then there should be inserted as 0. Then 2 already as usual. Then next number is 3. 3 is already there in the column? Yes, here is there. So no need to change that column. Then next number is 1. Here 1 is there? No. So we have to insert that 1 in this column. Here already 7, 0 and 1 is removed. Then last what we inserted 2 next. So here we have to remove in this row, this 2 is removed, and then we have to insert here 1. Then next 2. We have to see here is any 2? No. So we have to remove one number and we have to add it. Then already we removed up to frame 4. Once again we have to move to the frame 1. Here what recently we inserted 3. So this 3 is removed and then insert this 2. Then 4, 0, 1 as usual. Then last number is 0. Here already 0 is there. There is no change. In this one, I have to say it that where and all we didn't change any number, that and all comes under the hit. This and all we are saying that hit number. Here and all we didn't change any number, so we are saying as hit. So here we have to give hit, how many hits are used, frames, how many frames are used, then fault, then reference string. Hit means in this column where and all we didn't change, that and all we are saving as hit. So we represented here as H. How many hits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here hit is 6. Frames means here we used F1, F2, F3, F4. This and all we are saying as frame. So we used 4 frames. Fault means where and all we changed that numbers inserted, that and all we say it as fault. How many faults are there? We having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 faults are there. Reference string means what is the input we have given, that is the string, that is 15. Then we go to the program. Now we are going to see the program, FIFO program. First of all, here header file is given. If we use this page replacement in C language, that is hash include stdio.h. This is the header file and conia.h. Then main function is given. Then we declared the variables integer I, j, k, f. Then F means number of frames. PF means page fault counter. Then count means we are initializing the frames how we want to replace it, that one. Then RS of 25 means we are setting the maximum size of string. Already I shown in the example how many strings or reference strings are used. Likewise, how many reference strings we needed, that and all we can give. Then M of 10 means it is given as the maximum size of the memory frames. Then N means length of the reference string. Then here we are using the clear screen. Clear screen means here console screen, clear the console screen here. Then next we are giving the printf statement. Why we are using a printf means what are the statements we have to print it. For that purpose only we are using this printf. Here we have given enter the length of reference string. Then in scanf that stores the reference string, what are the strings we have given, that and all we have to insert in that page, insert in that frame. So we have to give the frame. Then the numbers will be, string will be inserted one by one in the framework. Then here we have given for I is equal to 0, I is less than f, I increment means here the prompt of the user to input the reference string, that means sequence of pages. Here we are using the loop to read the n integer into the array of reference string, what we given in the reference string. Then next we have using the next printf, that is prompt the user to input the number of memory frames available and store it in f. Here in f variable we are storing the what are the frames we have given, how many frames we have given, that and all we have inserted in that memory. Then next one is for I is equal to 0, I is less than f, I increment. M of I is equal to -1 means that is indicating the empty frames. Then here we are giving next statement is in printf the page replacement process is, that is for displaying the header of the output section. What we want to give the output, that pages will be replaced and giving that output. Then here then the string we have already given here 15, that one by one string will be inserted, and where we want to replace it, then the data will be replaced. Here for k equal to 0, k is less than f, and k increment means here checks the if the current page is in string reference string, means the memory will be already present, means it will be the hit value. Then it is not presented, means then we have to replace that page. Then here the condition is true, means it will be goes to the next page. Then if when the condition will be false, then the output will be displayed. The number of pages fault using FIFO, or it will be displayed in one by one. Here they have given on output.